On this episode of the Atlanta Maker, we use a Glowforge to make a custom bottle opener. Everyone seemed to like the Silicone Yeti-style tumbler video from a couple weeks ago, so I figured we'd continue down the silicone path a bit and play around with these neat silicone-coated bottle openers. They are nice and heavy-duty and are a great alternative to a fully metal bottle opener that may require a marking spray such as Ceremark. They come in the same 7 colors that the tumblers come in, and like before, I prefer the colors that engrave to white as they clean up a bit easier when finished. These are pretty heavy, but I still use our good friend the honeycomb tray pin to make sure it's nice and secure. I say this in most of the videos, but I'll keep saying it as it's important. When using a Glowforge, to ensure accurate placement of your engravings, make sure you use the set focus feature before placing your artwork. The settings for these are pretty much the same as the other silicone items we've used so far. 600 speed, 55 power, and 340 lines per inch. Let's send this to the Glowforge and get it going. These look pretty awful immediately after engraving, but clean up super nice using the same procedure from the tumblers. To recap, just wash them with some LA Awesome or soap and water and scrub them with an old toothbrush. Dry them off, and you're ready to crack a cold beverage of your choice. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. YouTube also thinks you'll enjoy the video on the screen now, which is a little bit creepy, but it's an Atlanta Maker video, so I'm pretty sure you'll like it too. See you next time.